Good morning guys. Meron na naman akong i-share sa inyo guys. Ang title nito ay Just As I Am ng Air Supply. Okay? So yan, intro muna tayo. Yung chords, yan, meron siyang D, tapos yan, E minor 7, tapos D over F sharp, yan. G, ayan, balik ulit sa E minor 7, tapos A, saka meron siyang plucking na ito, sa 5th string, open, 2, 4, 2, open, ayan, tapos ulit. Meron siyang F sharp minor, B minor, tapos G, D, tapos A. Yan. So next niya ay verse. Ang sa verse naman ay B minor. Mukhang maraming chords guys, pero madali lang to. B minor, E minor, tapos D, tapos G. So bali turo ko lang dito guys yung intro, verse at saka yung chorus niya. Yan. Or yung refrain at saka yung chorus. Yan. So verse na tayo. So start sa B. I've had a lot of big dreams. Dito E minor. So bago mag D, tapos yan, E minor 7. Yan, ulitin ko. I have a lot of big dreams. I made a lot of bad moves. Now I could walk away, but you never do. C, D, G, B minor. I made a lot of cold heart. I've learned to smile and deceive. Okay, so yan. Putulin na natin guys para hindi tayo CPR. Ayan. Pagdating sa refrain, F sharp. I'm not easy to understand. But you hold out your hand. Balik. Then, pagdating yan, chorus. And you say you love me. Just as I am. Always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, baby. Love me, just as I am. Just as sumabit tayo dun guys, pero ayan, yan lang guys. And next naman yan ay verse 2, so the same as verse 1 lang naman yung chords na, pareho lang naman yung tone niya. I made a lot of heartaches, imagine. I found a lot of closed doors. Ayan guys, so ganun guys, para hindi masyadong mahaba yung aking video. Ayan. Thank you guys. Sana don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.